on it. Finally a box car.
BNSF has traffic.
They do. Subdivision. I thought we missed it, but we didn't. I thought
I think we came back here.
yeah. We're gonna get to see the UP too. Oh, look, it has the cars where they tape things to it.
Yeah.
For a BNSF. Oh yeah, that was pretty short. So now the UP is about to move on.
Well, it depends on what track this one's on. You might be switch to the main track one, so they can go at the same time. But they have to wait for this one to finish out.
If this pocket stays down, then it's probably coming. Oh, that signal on the side did activate this time, see?
So the green light was for the BNSF, not the